Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about cybercrime. Contents: Introduction, definition, types of cybercrime, categories of cybercrime, prevention of cybercrime, cybercrime and information security. Conclusion. Introduction. Computer crime or cybercrime is criminal activity that involves unlawful access to computer systems. So this can be while you are working and somebody access your computer over the internet, or when you are not processing with the help of certain unlawful methods. If you know they can access the computer. Cybercrime is an illegal activity committed on the internet. Definition. Now a few words to define how and what the cybercrime is. So basically we try to define cybercrime. The term cybercrimes is not defined in any statute or rule book. So basically it comes from cyber, which is related to computers and internet, or anything related to its sector. Therefore, it stands towards the reason that cybercrimes are offences related into the computers, internet or virtual reality. So write in a simple language, crime committed using a computer and the internet to steal data or information, or you manipulating is a cybercrime. Just to give an idea what exactly is, I got some example here. Stealing credit card information. I think that's one of the most common cybercrime which happens where a person's credit card information is stolen and used, illegally to buy or purchase lot of items over the internet. Now classifying the cybercrimes, different types of cybercrime. So, hacking. Hacking is one form of cybercrime where you get into somebody's system and then try to steal the information, disrupt the working, disrupt the network anytime. Then credit card fraud. Credit card fraud as one of the most common fraud performed in the cybercrime is credit card fraud. It has happened through the internet or it has happened through the call center and lot of many ways. Virus dissemination. Virus dissemination is that installing, sending viruses through wired network, wired email, wired SMS, etc. Cyber terrorism. As we it happening lot for the period of videos in further part. Computer vandalism is getting a lot of people in world nowadays. Software piracy. Saudi Arabia is the biggest market of the software piracy. Spoofing. Email spoofing is again a very largely used cybercrime and a lot of people fall victim of that. Categories of cybercrime. Cybercrime can be basically divided into three major categories: cybercrimes against persons, cybercrime against property, cybercrime against government. Cybercrime against person. Cyber harassment is a distinct cybercrime. Various kinds of harassment can and do occur in cyberspace. Or through the use of cyberspace, harassment can be sexual, racial, religious or other. People actually think that on internet they are not in boys and they are not being seen whatever they want, but it is not like that, because it is just like that you roaming around. Cybercrime against property. These crimes include computer vandalism, that is destruction of others' property, transmission of harmful programs, unauthorized trespassing through cyberspace, unauthorized possession of computer information. Cybercrimes against government. Cyber terrorism is one distinct kind of crime in this category. The growth of internet has shown that the medium of cyberspace is being used by individuals and groups to threaten the international governments as also to terrorize the citizens of a country. Prevention of cybercrime. Let we know how to prevent these cybercrimes and how to overcome. Use antivirus software. As many antivirus softwares are present in the market, so we can use this to protect our devices. Insert firewalls. These protect the devices from unpacked network enter into user devices. Uninstall unnecessary software. We should uninstall the unnecessary software which are kept in our devices as they may steal our data for hacking purposes. Maintain backup. We should always back up our files in case any cyber attacks come, so we should be ready for use the data. Check security settings. We should always keep our antivirus software for updated. Stay anonymous. Choose a genderless screen name. We should not give our gender information or something like that on the website. It does not have security policy. Never give your full name or address to strangers. We should not give our address and full name to any websites. Learn more about internet privacy. We should learn about internet privacy. It has to keep us safe from cybercrime. These are the prevention to keep our site safe and our device safe. Conclusion. Within the law enforcement agencies, a set of rules must be developed to address the various categories of computer crime. As such, investigators will know what and which materials to search and seize, the electronic evidence to recover, and the chain of custody to maintain. Whenever you suspect deceit, instantly hit delete. Always be aware. Connect to the internet with care. Thank you.